So this is a little small walk in the park where I like to walk sometimes in this small town of Steenwijk. This is where my family is from. It's really quiet, see? This is where my mother lives. If you guys see, there's the Tower of Steenwijk, the back one. That's where I used to go to school. You're gonna stay with me as we walk into this little park. I'll show you guys a spot where I like to chill at. My chill spot. It's 20 to 12, quarter to 12 almost, which I must say is the correct time. See how quiet it is here. Yeah, this is actually Steenwijk. This town is called Steenwijk, which actually means Stone City or Stone Town. And this is the spot. This is my little spot where I like chilling at the most because that's in the corner right here. See, I like corners. My mother lives over there. You can't see that right now, but she literally lives right over there past those trees. Girlfriend of mine lives on this side somewhere, and yeah, the church is right there. And many times people don't come all the way out here. Most of the time people kind of stay on that side and they walk like that, you know. And it's just it's a nice little spot right here where I like to chill at. And chill here is what I'm about to do. I'm going to take out the iPhone and do some work here for the next video. Catch you later.